Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain one-word substitution. This linguistic technique involves replacing a long phrase or an entire sentence with just one word. The goal is to make your communication more concise and clear without altering the original meaning. It's a powerful tool for streamlining language, allowing you to express complex ideas with greater efficiency and impact. Think of it as verbal shorthand that maintains full clarity. Using one-word substitution offers several key advantages. Firstly, it dramatically improves the clarity and conciseness of your language, making your message more direct. Secondly, it saves considerable time and space, which is especially beneficial in written communication or timed situations. Furthermore, actively learning and applying these substitutions can significantly expand your vocabulary, boosting your overall command of the English language. Let's look at some practical examples to illustrate this concept. Instead of saying, "a person who loves to read or collect books," you can simply use the word bibliophile. Similarly, the phrase "one who is all-powerful" can be concisely replaced with omnipotent. And for a place where birds are kept, the single word aviary conveys the exact same meaning. There are over 200 common substitutions. One-word substitution is highly important in various contexts. It frequently appears in the verbal ability sections of many competitive examinations, where quick and precise understanding is key. Beyond exams, it significantly enhances the quality of your writing, making essays and reports more professional and impactful. Ultimately, mastering this skill showcases a strong and sophisticated command of the English language, improving your communication effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.